If you happen to celebrate, well, happy Taco Tuesday. Thanks again for tuning in to the Weekly World Review. Today's top story: the sun is probably gonna eat you and your children. You may have not noticed, but we've been posting a story every Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, or as close as possible. Maybe you have noticed. Perhaps the U is actually in fact that brain in a jar of preservative chemicals wired to a computer simulation. Let's face it, Elon Musk and other astrophysicists, including Neil deGrasse Tyson, believe that our world is just a simulation created by an advanced civilization from outer space. Perhaps you've already been aware of this your whole life and have been powerless to do anything. Well, in other news of such terrible things you are powerless to stop, have you ever wondered where will you be when our sun finally consumes the planet? NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory has collected compiling data from RR, a binary star system located in the Auriga constellation, which has been slurping its orbiting planets into its fiery maw and causing planetary collisions. Shocking, isn't it? Imagine a celestial body of such magnitude has such poor table manners. Well, Chandra's astronomers observed some unusual fluctuation in RA's brightness and an accretion disk of iron, which is unusual for stars of any kind. The only explanation for this iron sparkling ring of fire is a hungry world devourer, the likes of which have never been seen outside of a cosmic comic book. Scientists already speculate that our sun will not go supernova and roast us alive and screaming in its maelstroms of incinerating plasma for another 7 billion years. However, according to a journalist from the beyond, indicates this time may come much sooner than any of us would prefer. To investigate this apocalyptic lead further, we sent a Weekly World Review private reporter out on the field to do some daytime telescopic journalism of the sun. While no celestial anomalies were verifiably detected, our field reporter's eyes were consumed by the sun's hungry cosmic rays. You heard it right here at the WWR. We put lives on the line and eyeballs into the fiery gullet of an angry sun god to deliver the truth about our inevitable end before it's too late to make amends with loved ones and make peace with the end of life on Earth as we know it. Hashtag appetite for destruction.